Hey there. We know that customization is what everybody likes about Veertly. So today we want to give you even more possibilities of customizing the look and feel, especially the colors of the sidebar. So as you can see, this is the default standard. Today you can change the top bar, you can change the primary, secondary color, but from today you can also change the sidebar colors. So if you go to advanced configurations, now you can change sidebar the primary background color. So this is the color that's the background color of the navigation of the sidebar, so the main one. So let's put it a little bit on the dark side. Then you have the secondary color of the background. So this is the background color of the navigation sidebar when a section is selected. So let's put it a little bit lighter. Then you can also select the color of the icons. So let's say now I can choose more on this blue. This is the color when the icons are selected. So if you are inside a specific region, you can have, let's put a different type of blue or orange. It's going to be a little bit rainbow, but just for you to show. Another customization that you have is to choose the color of the text. So let's put more on the light side. It's great. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see how the event looks like now. Whoa. So you can see now the colors are really as you customize it. And if you click, this is the select when it's selected, and then if you enter a specific area, it will have the yellow one. I hope that this will help you customize the event to your colors, to your brand, and as always, let us know which other customization you'd like to have. Have a good day.